Welcome to Thailand, where the boundaries between work and play seamlessly blend into a paradise of productivity and adventure. Introducing Workation Paradise Season 2, a groundbreaking initiative by the Tourism Authority of Thailand. From December 2024 to March 2025, this program invites digital nomads and remote workers to experience the ultimate fusion of work and travel. Imagine starting your day in a state-of-the-art pop-up workspace nestled in the heart of Thailand's most iconic destinations, whether it's the bustling energy of Siam in Bangkok or the serene landscapes of Khao Yai National Park. These mobile offices are designed to cater to your every professional need, with high-speed internet, ergonomic furniture, and virtual meeting setups. You'll find the perfect balance of productivity and relaxation. But that's not all. Enhance your workation with our exclusive 100 baht voucher promotion. Enjoy substantial discounts on flights with AirAsia, luxury accommodations at top-tier resorts like Banyan Tree Phuket, and dining experiences at renowned eateries such as Starbucks and Coffee Bean by Dow. Plus, explore thrilling attractions like Vana Nava Water Jungle, all at unbeatable prices. This initiative isn't just about work, it's about redefining your lifestyle. As flexible working models become the norm, Thailand stands ready to welcome you with open arms, offering a vibrant culture, breathtaking scenery, and a thriving community of like-minded professionals. So why wait? Visit our official website to learn more and secure your spot in the Workation Paradise Season 2. Embrace the opportunity to work smarter, live better, and discover why Thailand is the ultimate destination for digital nomads. Join us and transform your work-life balance into an extraordinary journey.